Everybody's account in SAP Analytics Cloud has roles that determine what you can do in the system, but you can send an automated message to your system administrators when you need additional capabilities. And one point to clarify is that roles in SAC define what you can or cannot do. As an example, a role would determine whether you can read stories or create stories, or whether or not you can build a model or simply view the data in a model. Roles do not determine what stories you see or what data you have access to from those models. But if you're finding that you need to request additional capabilities in SAC, simply click on the profile picture at the top right of your screen. Then click on Request Roles. From here, you can choose from default or self-service roles that have been determined by your system administrators. You can click on the role that you need to request and add a comment. Then click on Send Request. A request will be sent to the designated approver for that role, and they can reply to that accordingly. When the approver has taken action on your request, you will receive a notification indicating whether or not your request has been accepted or rejected.